Fáilte over Carja, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. JC Gaeilge, how to write a Teachtaireacht. How to write a Teachtaireacht or message based on a phógra, an advertisement. Step 1. Identify. Circle the following about the event: name, location, date, time, and price. This is an example from a sample paper. Name, location, date, time, price. Step 2. Opening. Using the following phrases, write down the standard opening. Ahara, my friend. Conasatatu, how are you? Tommy Gnáth, I am well. Step 3. Inform. Using the following phrases, fill in the blanks using the correct information from the phógra. Beg the Lion King Shúil de Saturn an Carú lá déag nullag Gaeilge san néadaig lehuirtris Teacht. The Lion King will be happening Saturday the 14th of December 2019, half 7. Beg sé Shúil san Omniplex. It will be happening in the Omniplex. Beg na ticket €8. The tickets will be €8. Step 4. Invite. Invite your friend to the event using the following phrases and the information from the phógra. Walat dul gudi the Lion King. Would you like to go to the Lion King? Step 5. End. Finish the Teachtaireacht by using the following phrase and the date and time from the phógra. Big me kaint lad de Saturn an Carú lá déag nullag Gaeilge san néadaig lehuirtris Teacht. I will be talking to you Saturday the 14th of December 2019, half 7. Slán. The finished article should look like this. Ahara conasatatu Tommy Gnáth. Beg the Lion King Shúil de Saturn an Carú lá déag nullag Gaeilge san néadaig lehuirtris Teacht. Beg sé Shúil san Omniplex. Beg na ticket €8. Walat dul gudi the Lion King. Beg me kaint lad de Saturn an Carú lá déag nullag Gaeilge san néadaig lehuirtris Teacht. Slán. Remember, identify, open, inform, invite, end. Slán live.